You must be thinking, sir, I don't want to drink wine. But your inner voice must be forcing you to go and drink wine. Don't worry, I'm telling you solution. If you are drinking 4 packs in a day, then you can reduce. In place of 4 packs, you can drink 3 packs. You are going now. Your mind will force you to go and drink wine. Then gradually you can reduce your drinking capacity. And after some time, you drink 3 packs. In place of 3 packs, you can drink 2 packs. At the end, you can drink 1 pack. And finally, you determine yourself, from today, I will never drink wine. In this way, you can stop drinking wine. Because drinking wine, smoking, eating fast food and junk food are not good for health. We know that these are bad for our health. So why can't we change? Our mind is telling us that these are not good for health. These are injurious for health. Then we should explain our mind. Hey guys, what are the 3 golden rules to change any habit? First and foremost rule is to change gradually. You cannot change any habit at a time. It will take some time. Then you can change your habit one by one. What is the second golden rule? Have only good habits. You should make only good habits. You should not make any bad habit. In this way, you will be the best person of the world. Third thing, if you have any bad habit and if you want to change it, then you should wait for some time. You should try to ignore bad things and you should try to adopt good things. In this way, you can change your habit. Whatever bad habit you have, in place of that habit, you should try to do good habit. In this way, you can change or you can exchange your habit. Then, these are the 3 golden rules. And wait for good time. That's it for today. Company does effect. If you want to become a successful person, if you want to gain expertise in your life, then you should make company with good people. Because good people have good habits, and if you get along with them, if you make friendship with them, you will also be like them. Because you know who is a person and how can we identify character of any person? By his friends. If you have 4 good friends, then you will be the 5th one of good. Because we are surrounding. What we are surrounding, that we are. So your surrounding should be good. And before making any habit, we should concentrate. We should think, is it good or bad? If you have any bad habit, like so many people are habitual of drinking wine, so many people are habitual of smoking, so many people are habitual of eating fast food and junk food, which are not good for our health. Then you must be thinking, sir, how can we change this habit? You can also change. In place of drinking wine, you should take some healthy drink. I can see so many people who used to be very drinker, who used to be very smoker, who used to be very eatable of fast food and junk food. But present time, they hate drinking wine, they hate smoking, they hate eating fast food and junk food. So why can't you? You can also change your habits. But what we need to have some patience. We need to get some good habits in place of bad habits. We make bad habits so fast, then before making any habit, we should not be in hurry. As soon as we are habitual of any habit, then it is quite difficult to remove that habit. Then remember, whenever you make any habit, remember it should be a good habit. If you are making a good habit, it will help you to increase your knowledge. It will also help you to boost your confidence. That's why before making any habit, we should concentrate. We should focus on what? On this is it a good habit or bad habit? Before making any habit, we should identify, is it good habit or bad habit? We should adopt good habit and we should remove bad habits. There are many things. Now you must be thinking, what is the problem in eating non-veg? I am not telling any problem, but we should not eat non-veg, because what we eat, that we become. If you eat non-veg, then how you behave, you know, many people eat non-veg, they behave rudely because their food is not good. If you are eating a good food, if you are eating a healthy food, then you will have patience, you will have determination to do good tasks. That's why I am telling you, we should not eat non-veg also. If you are thinking, sir, we are non-vegetarian, gradually you can change your habit. Gradually you can change your habit, then you will also be vegetarian. So you need to wait for good time. Until or unless you wait for good time, how can you change? First of all, change one by one, then everything will be done. It is not a big task to change any habit. It is your willpower which will make your habit change. So believe yourself that you can change your habit. You can change your habit gradually. You can change your habit little by little. For an example, if you want to wake up early in the morning, then if present time you wake up 9 o'clock, no matter, at this time you are waking up 9 o'clock in the morning, no matter, you should change your habit little by little. In place of 9 o'clock, you should start waking up 8:30 in the morning. You can change little by little. If you are waking up 9 o'clock, no matter, think from today, I will wake up 8:30 from tomorrow. In this way, you can change your habit. After some time, you can reduce half or more. After some days, you determine yourself that I will wake up 8 o'clock in the morning. Then you will wake up 8 o'clock in the morning. In this way, if you want to wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, you can also wake up. But you can change your eyes. Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very beneficial for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very unique topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Today's topic is this: how to change any habit. As we can see in present generation, so many people want to change their habits. So many people want to gain good habits, but they are not able to do so. Then guys, what is the reason behind of it? I will tell you in this video. Little by little, gradually you should try to change your habit. So it is the first and foremost point. Change your habit gradually. Now, what is the second point? If you want to change your habit, then second point is this: do only good things. Make only good habits. Because as we can see, because you will find so many people which have so many bad habits, then you should not get along with those people. As we know, in this way you can change your habit. You know, if you are thinking, sir, I cannot give up drinking wine. If you are thinking, I can't think, whenever you think, you know, in this way you can give up any bad habit. It is not a difficult. I know you must be thinking that, sir, you are telling it is not a difficult, but it is very difficult. No, you should wait for a good time. You know, if you give up bad habits gradually, and at the end you will be a teetotaler. You will even hate drinking any kind of things. It happens. Suppose you are going to any wrong place. Then in place of wrong place, what are the wrong place? Wrong places are what? Like beer bar, like eating hotel and eat non-veg. Like, and I hope you can